Hey, good day all you results getters. This isn't my first time doing this video. You know why? I've been role playing. Third time's the charm, so here we go. Say hi, Melissa. We're getting our little exercise in, but I wanted to do a quick recap from our group event we had in the Woodlands, Texas last month, because it is the beginning of March. Well, let me start off by saying we had a wonderful time. As usual, we had some really good food, and it was great. The camaraderie is second to none. It was nice to get to see everybody. We were in the Woodlands, Texas. Of course, they got a neat trolley system, so that was really fun, a great experience. Riding around the waterway, picks us up at the hotel, takes us to get dinner, or lunch rather, and picks us up after lunch and brings us on back. Makes a full circle. That's always fun. It was a really good time. I wanted to send out some special thanks to Mr. Scott Darnell. Who can forget team, right? Training, educate, accountability, motivate. That was a great presentation that Scott put on for us. Scott owns a couple of shops currently here in Houston, but at one time he had 21 locations. Wow, God bless him. And he opened every one of those stores. He had to staff every one of those stores. He ran very good margins at all those locations. So we all know how hard it is with one or a few. So just imagine 21. Woo! But wealth of knowledge. It was a pleasure having him there. So we appreciate him coming out and talking to our group and having dinner with us as well. This was a 2-day event. Lots of trainings. We had to brush off the old reminders about our phone skills, how we drive sales, how we build ARO, how we drive car count, take care of those customers. We had our book, The Go for No book, and also something new by the same author, When They Say No. Those books were handed out to all the shops that attended. We had a couple young bucks in class, my son Brandon and Eric's son Joshua. And so it was really fun getting to work with those. Thank you, Chris Goodson, who spent a little extra time with those guys, helping them learn the phone skills. And for everybody else, of course, it was a nice refresher. If you weren't able to make it, we're sorry, we missed you. But great news, right around the corner, first week of June, first Wednesday in June, Jeff's Automotive, Pennsylvania. So we're looking forward to seeing everybody there, where we will get back to our typical group event, which means store visits, breaking up into our group. Let's go see what's going on over there at Jeff's Automotive. Seems like these guys, month after month, keep putting away $200,000 months. So let's go see what's in the Kool-Aid. I can't wait to see everybody. You guys have a great March. Last month, we had a lot of stores behind on car count. We did have one last day compared to last February. Stay very focused on your car count and how many cars you need per day to hit your number. Because I tell you, it's a little bit easier when you got more swings at bat. Until next time, rally up!